Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty products. If you've ever struggled with removing facial hair, especially that stubborn peach fuzz, you know how frustrating it can be to find a tool that does the job gently but effectively. Well, today, I'm reviewing the Billie Women's Razor Kit with 5 blades, paired with their Dermaplane Starter Kit, which includes 3 refill blades for facial hair removal. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review like this. Now let's get into the details. This razor kit comes with everything you need to achieve smooth, hair-free skin. The razor features an ergonomic, non-slip handle for a comfortable and controlled shave, and it's paired with 4 5-blade razor refills. Each blade is coated with aloe, providing an extra layer of protection and moisture as you shave. And for that added touch of convenience, it even comes with a magnetic holder to keep the razor within easy reach while keeping it off the shower floor. In terms of what sets this razor apart, we're looking at 5 nickel-free stainless steel blades, known for their durability and sharpness. These blades are surrounded by 360 degrees of aloe shave soap, which helps to soften the hair and minimize irritation during use. Plus, the blades are designed to be skin-safe, so you're not risking cuts or nicks, which is a big win when it comes to facial hair removal. I tested this razor over the course of a few days, using it not only on my legs, but also on my face for peach fuzz removal. And here's what I found. The razor glides smoothly across the skin, thanks to that ergonomic handle. I did notice how gentle yet effective the blades are at removing hair without irritation, which is especially important for sensitive facial skin. The aloe shave soap was a nice touch. It really helped with the smoothness, and I didn't feel that typical razor burn or dryness that I've experienced with other razors. I also gave the Dermaplane blades a try for facial hair removal, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. The small, precise blades removed peach fuzz with ease, leaving my skin incredibly smooth. And I love the fact that I could do it from the comfort of my own home without needing a salon visit. The design of the Dermaplane tool is compact and comfortable, making it easy to use even in tricky areas like the upper lip and around the eyebrows. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the ergonomic handle really stands out. It's so easy to grip, which makes the whole shaving process smoother and safer. The sharp blades, paired with the aloe soap, provide a comfortable glide, and I didn't experience any irritation. The fact that the razor is designed for both body and facial use is also a huge bonus. The magnetic holder is a clever touch, keeping everything neat and tidy in the shower. However, one minor con is that the razor is a bit pricier than some other options on the market. While the quality is definitely there, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this might not be the most economical choice. Also, the Dermaplane tool might not be for everyone. If you have very sensitive skin, you may want to approach it with caution, though I didn't experience any issues myself. Is it worth the price? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for in a razor. If you're looking for something that's going to give you a luxurious shaving experience with smooth results, then yes, this kit is definitely worth the investment. The quality of the blades and the convenience of the magnetic holder really set it apart from other razors. But if you're just looking for something to quickly remove facial hair without any frills, there are definitely cheaper alternatives. In terms of comparisons, there are other dermaplaning razors and multi-blade razors on the market, but not many come with the combination of features this kit offers. The quality of the blades, the ergonomic design, and the aloe-infused shaving soap really make this stand out as a premium option. When it comes to build quality, I was impressed. The razor's construction feels sturdy and the handle is designed to last. Plus, the magnetic holder is not only practical, but also a nice touch for keeping your razor away from germs and water in the shower. So, after testing the product extensively, I can confidently say that the Billie Women's Razor Kit with 5 blades and the Dermaplane Starter Kit is a solid choice for anyone who wants smooth, hair-free skin without irritation. It's especially great for those who deal with peach fuzz and want a gentle yet effective tool for facial hair removal. If you're on the fence about whether this razor is for you, I definitely recommend giving it a try. especially if you're looking for an easy-to-use, high-quality product that delivers results. I've been really impressed with its performance and overall design. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this razor, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Do you love it as much as I do? Or do you prefer a different option? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.